Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll be learning on how to export Revit file to AutoCAD. So now I'm on my home page, so we need to open some existing file here. So we are going to export either plans or elevations. So now I will be using one of my file over here to export plans or elevations or anything elevation or section. Anyone will be exporting it right now. So let's get started. So I'm opening some of my existing files so we can be able to use it to learn on how to export some of our files, some of our projects to AutoCAD in 2D. So our project is loading. Wow, that's nice. Now our project has been loaded. So this is our floor plan here over here. This floor plan now we are trying to export it to AutoCAD. So we want it to be in 2D form. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to click on visual style. I want you to look down on this button over here, visual style realistic. So click on this visual style. You have to change this plan. You have to change it to hidden line. So we have to change it to hidden line over here. Leave it. So it has been in hidden line now. So it's in 2D form in Revit here. So what we are going to do next is that to export it to AutoCAD. So fine, let's move to the export. Bring your cursor, your mouse to this place. So look where my mouse is. So it's in files here. So we click on files. So we click on exports. So we move our arrow to CAD format. In this CAD format we have drawing, DWG, that is drawing. We have DSF, we have DGN, we have ACIS. So we have to click on DWG. So you click on DWG. Yeah. So it will bring us to this page over here. It's going to be showing the floor plans we want to export. So you click on next. Take your mouse to next. Fine. Now it's going to be showing us that how do we want the floor plans to be saved. How do you want the floor plans to be saved? You go to files of type. In this files of type we are going to select. So we are going to select, we have 27 AutoCAD, we have 2010 AutoCAD, we have 2013 AutoCAD and 2018 AutoCAD. We have 3 selections over here. But what we need to do is that because we have 3 selections over here, it's asking us that which one do we prefer to save this floor plan in 2D. So my AutoCAD I'm using is 2017. So the reason why we are going to save it in 2013 is because we are importing it from Revit. So we need to make the versions to be more lower. So we don't need to save it in 2018, because if we save it in 2018 form, so the 2D file is not going to be more that. It's not going to be, it won't even save, because 2018 I'm using 2017 AutoCAD. So we have to save the file, the project, like the floor plan, to save the 2D below the version. So so we have to save it below the version. So we have to click on 2013. So we're using 2013 AutoCAD. So the version we are using 2013 AutoCAD. So we click on, so we have to, if you want to try to change your file name, you can change it. So me, I won't be changing my file name, so I will leave it like this. So I'll click on OK. Fine, now our file has been saved. So I'm going to minimize this, my Revit files. So I will go and click my AutoCAD. So this is my screen. So let me click on AutoCAD 2017, sorry. So my AutoCAD is loading here. So right now we are on our screen in AutoCAD. So we're in our main screen here. So how can we locate that file we saved in 2D? How can we locate it? So to get our floor plans, that floor plan we saved. So what we need to do is that we're going to click on this button over here, this AutoCAD. So we'll click on open. Oh no, okay, let's click on open. Okay, so we click on history. I think, yeah, history. So locate plan. I think it's 4 bedroom plan. So let me locate here. It's 4 bedroom plan. 4 bedroom. Let me go back to my AutoCAD. So 4 bedroom. So okay, yes. So this is where I located it. So it depends on where I saved it. So I think I saved the file it's not in desktop. It depends on where you want to save your file. So I save it in documents. So I have to open it. So let's open drawing. Open. Click on open. Now our file is ready. Yes, these are our files over here. So these are floor plan. So how can we get rid of all these tests and everything? How can we remove all these tests and other things here? So what we need to do is that we'll click on layer here. So this is our layer, because once we are exporting files from Revit, it's going to carry so many text, so many objects from Revit. So it's going to import so many objects from Revit. That's the reason why once we reach AutoCAD here, we can remove all these tests and all these layers, all of them. So what we're going to be doing is that, so let's remove all these tests. So we'll click on the tests. So let me click. Okay, we are clicking on the test. So we're going to go to layer. So we'll click on this layer. So I want you to look at this, my arrow. This is where I paste my arrow over here. So we'll click on the layer button. So we'll click on layer button. So this is our test over here. Seeing this kind of blue, because in this layer over here there are some, it's going to create a layer by itself. So everything will come with layer, with the floor plans, with the window. If I also turn off all these windows over here, we can turn it off. So I will still be showing you on how to do that over here. If you don't need all these window style over here, maybe you want to create another one in AutoCAD. So I'll still be showing you on how to do that. So let's remove all these tests first. So in this test, before I remove it, let me quickly show you something. We can delete it, but if you are trying to delete, it's going to take some of our time, so we don't need to do that. So we just have to click on test, we turn it off in layer over here. So we turn it off in layer, turn the layer off. Do you see it? All the text is gone. You see it, all the text is gone. So let me turn it on back. So let's see. Let me turn the layer. You see, the text has come back. So let's click on it and turn it off. So we're turning it off. See all our text. So the same way you want to turn this dimension off. So you click on the icon. So go to your layer and turn it off over here. So you can turn it off. Click on this. Turn it off. So some of our designs over here in 2D form. So we can turn it off. So the same way, if you want to turn your window off, maybe you don't need this window design, you want to create another one. So you click on the window. So you turn it off over here, set to turn it off. Okay, you can click, just click on this up icon here. So you're going to turn off. So this is how we export our Revit file to AutoCAD. This is how to do it. So thank you for watching this my tutorial.